Hey everyone, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this succulent water can. This is a paint by line product, which means that all the lines are etched into the cutout for you. You don't have to worry about any kind of freehanding. I went in first and painted the water can with the color Savannah Mist, and now I'm going in with the color Evergreen, and I'm painting the greenery, this little section of greenery on the top. Next, I'll be going in with the color Kudzu, and I'll be painting this little cactus. And then I will be painting the next cactus in the color, let's see, I'll be using Tree Frog Green for this cactus here. And I kind of just used all of my favorite Dixie Belle greens for this. I wanted to kind of keep it bright and different and interesting. So that's why I like to use different greens instead of painting them all the same. I'm going in now with the color Evergreen, and I'm painting this little ball cactus kind of thing here. I'm really not sure exactly what it would be called. And then I'm going to go in and paint my little succulent over here in 3 different colors. And first I will be using the color Apricot, and I'm going to go around and paint the first 2 little sets of leaves. Guess is what you would call them, even if it's a succulent. I'm going to paint them in this apricot color. And then next I'm going to be using the color Mint Julep to paint the next set of little leaves. And then last I'll be using the color Limeade for the last part of this little greenery area. And then I'm going to go in with the color Peony for one of my cactus flowers. Peony is like a bright hot pink color, and all the colors I'm using on this video today are Dixie Belle chalk paint. And of course, if you guys would like to learn more about those or purchase them, you can check them out on our website, buildacross.com, as well as this cutout. And last, I'll be using the color Lucky Lavender to paint this last little flower on my cactus. I'm going to go in with a sponge brush in the color Hurricane Gray, and I'm going to wipe most of the paint off before going in and distressing my watering can. And I'm going to use the same technique to go in with the color Terracotta to add a little bit of a rust look. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my color Limeade, and I'm going to do some little stripes on my greenery. And I'm also going to do some little polka dots in this limeade color on one of my cactuses. And then I'm going to put some thorns on the one beside it. And then last, I'm going to use this color Limeade to make this little, kind of shape out this little cactus ball here, kind of make it look like a sphere. And next I'm going to go in with a number 0 round and some black paint, and I'm going to begin to outline. And here I'm going in with the color Mermaid Tail, and it's kind of hard to see, but it's actually really pretty in person and will probably show up in the pictures. And I just did the little polka dots on that other cactus. And now I'm going in with my number 0 round and some watered down black paint, and I'm just kind of doing like a little loose outline. I'm not hitting all of the edges perfectly. I'm just kind of doing like a messy outline and just hitting it here and there to add some dimension. I really like the way this looks for this succulent water can versus the really detailed outline. This just kind of gives it some dimension and helps to separate all the little different pieces from each other so that you can see where it starts and where it begins, or where it begins and ends, not starts and begins. And now I'm just going in and finishing that off. And I'll be doing the same thing for the watering can. I will go around and accent it in black as well. I'll do a little line on the top here, and I'm following the lines that are etched into the cutout again for me, so that makes this super easy. And I'm going to do some little circles where the water would come out of the spout. Just doing that here, and they're not perfect circles or complete circles. Just doing a few little kind of, just kind of so you can kind of see where the circles would be. And now I'm going in with the color Cotton and that same number 1 or number 0 round brush, and I'm just going to highlight everything on my cutout, following the natural curves of the painting. This just kind of helps to give it a uniformed look, and I like how the white brightens everything up. And then that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to have a wonderful day.